Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove layer override from your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file I have already opened. Now click on this left sidebar arrow and this layer option. There are one layer and this layer now applied layer override, and see this layer has been disabled because layer override are being applied. And click on this option menu and here you will find this layer override. Click here again and see this layer override now remove. Again you can apply layer override and see this and click here again and uncheck. In this way you can add layer override and remove. Also you can apply new layer override on your new layers. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.